Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Thursday and I'm headed to my parents' house. My mom was supposed to be making me a pot of greens. Not that I don't know how to make greens myself, but you know, mama greens hit different, okay? So I'm headed over there and I'm also gonna meet Ryan because we're gonna ride to the mall together to take some stuff back. If y'all didn't watch his video yesterday, y'all need to watch it. That boy is a fool, okay? I'll have the link to his channel in my description box. And then Kalila wants to go to Louis Vuitton to buy some slides. So that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm hungry. It is 11 o'clock and I still haven't had anything to eat yet. So we'll probably stop somewhere and grab a bite to eat. I'm not really sure because I don't want to eat nothing crazy. Y'all know that I've been trying to you know, watch what I eat but still being able to enjoy my food, but I ain't trying to do nothing too crazy. So I should have had something to eat before I left so I wouldn't be feeling like this. So I'll see you guys when I get to my parents' house. Y'all, so the gang is all together again. Ryan, Kalila, so we're headed to the mall and this guy looks like he's all in our lane. My greens was not ready. Did you go get the greens yet?
No, I gotta get the greens while we're out, but the meat
Oh, okay. Y'all, I'm so ready because I'm so hungry.
what you gonna eat with it? You gonna get a 2-piece sniper period?
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream making.
Alright y'all, so y'all know why I'm here. Who knows why I'm here?
To get some gas.
This is where we get the boiled peanuts, baby.
No, they had that good old sign that said we're out.
Oh no. Alright y'all, I got my peanuts. I got some for now and some for later. They so good.
And yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the
Yeah, look at my little sister. Don't play with her.
Yeah,
She is not one of them.
yeah.
my love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Look y'all, they're almost done with the restoration hardware. I can't wait. Supposed to be done by the end of the summer, but now it's saying fall 2021. So I'll be there. Good like it's my birthday. All right, y'all. So this is what I'm having for lunch. It is 2:30. I've never had this before. This is an avocado salad roll with sweet chili sauce on the side. I got this from Publix for $5.99. So I'll let y'all know. It doesn't have any meat in it. But yeah, this is lunch. All right, y'all. So I'm back home. I wanted to show you guys a few of the items that I picked up today. I was just supposed to be taking some stuff back, but I ended up getting a few things. So we went to Bath & Body Works because Kalila wanted to get some of the fragrance refills. So I found this one. This one smells really good. This is Crisp Morning Air. Smells so nice. And then this one right here. This is one that Kalila picked out. So this is the Sun Drenched Linen. It smells so good. It smells like laundry, fresh laundry. It smells really nice. So if you like that nice, clean smell, y'all should try this one. Go smell this one. It smells really good. So y'all know I did an exchange while I was in H&M. Some items that I picked up yesterday that didn't work out. So I ended up exchanging them for these right here. Y'all know I love like a nice sandal with the rope detail. And these are like a cream color. They're so cute. I'm gonna show y'all how they look on. These were like $25, like $24.50 or something like that. How much? Oh, $24.99. Super cute. Me and Kalila got these. So this is how they look. They're so cute. Look at this. And then it has like the little strap that goes on the back. Super cute. So I like these a lot. Thought they were so cute. This foot right here is pretty ashy, and I need to fix the ropes on these. But yeah, I just thought that they were really cute. So I really like these. Something cute and simple. And then I ended up getting this short sleeve white button down. I showed y'all this one when I was in the store, and this one runs a little big, so I got it in a medium. So that was cute. So that one was also a part of my exchange. And then I got two basic tees, and I got it from the men's section because I wanted it to be a little oversized. So I got a v-neck, the white, and then the black one. So yeah, super cute. These were only like $6.99, so I just grabbed those just to throw on, you know, when I'm running errands or something like that, and I still want to look a little put together. So just grab those. Nothing major. Let me sit y'all up here. I'm sweating a little bit, y'all, because it's so hot outside. Okay, then I went to ALDO, and I bought this little plain purse. It's so cute. Just to have. So this is it. Just looks like this. It says ALDO right here, and it comes with like the black chain. It's really cute, little crossbody bag. Oh, and my Chanel vanity did come. I did show it on Instagram. Y'all will see it when I carry it, because I don't feel like pulling it down right now. Y'all, I'm so hot. We've been out all day. So this is how it looks. Just something simple. It has the adjustable strap. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me stand over here so y'all can see it a little bit better. See? So cute. And this is how it looks in the inside. Two different little parts in here. I thought this was cute because I do need me like a everyday, I needed me like a different everyday bag that I can just grab. And this was only $45. Super cute. And then I got these really cute shades. I showed y'all these when we were in the mall. And these were only $16. Let me get in the sun so y'all can see. Hold on. These are so cute. They had a few different colors, but when I do my makeup and stuff, like when I have my whole look together, These are really cute. Like, I really like these. They look so good. They had like a dark brown, and they had, I want to say, a green. I showed y'all on the vlog, so y'all saw them already, the different colors that they had. But I really like these. Really cute. 16 bucks at Aldo. And then I bought one more thing. I'm about to burn this candle right now. This smells so nice. So after burning the candle, it was really strong, so I think I'm gonna take it back. Hold on, one more thing. And then I went to Coach. I looked at their new bag. I wasn't too impressed, but I just bought some shoes from Coach. So it's just plain basic tennis shoe. It has the brown little tab right here that has the Coach symbol or whatever, and then Coach in the back, because I just need some stuff that I can just like chill in, you know. So these were only $87, I think. They were on sale. So yeah, I thought that these were a cute little basic white tennis shoe. So yeah, I grabbed those. And that is it. That's all I got from my shopping trip. So I really didn't spend a lot of money because, like I said, I had that exchange that I had to do. So my hair look real cute today. So yeah, but these right here, I love these. These are really cute. Really cute. Y'all know I love sunglasses. That's like my thing. I'm a big sunglass girl. But isn't this bag so cute? They had a bunch of cute bags in Aldo. Super cute. Aldo used to be my store back in the day. I used to shop at Aldo all the time. But yeah, so cute. So this is now my new everyday bag that I'll be carrying all the time. I'm thinking about selling that that little Gucci crossbody. I might sell that. Maybe I'll try to sell it in, to Fashion File and get something else. I might do that. But I love this. So during Christmas time, this girl Chantel Diaz has sent me one of her candles, and y'all, I love that candle so much. So I went on her website because I know she had some new candles that came out. Hold on, y'all, let me cut the box open. So she had some new candles that she put on her website, and I went to try to order some of them, but they were sold out. Oh, but it's 2 candles in here. I thought I only ordered 1. Oh, it just says, thank you for your support. I added an extra one. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I wonder if she knew it was me. Because I just went on the website. I didn't tell her that I was going to order one. And we do follow each other on Instagram. But I'm telling y'all, I've told y'all about these. Look how pretty and sleek the packaging is. Like, look at this. I'm sure y'all have seen this candle around my place before. I love this candle. It smells so good. Oh, yes. So bomb. Let's see. I want the one that says Queen on the front, because she has some different candles on there that has the clear glass packaging, and I've heard some good things because I have a few Instagram friends that tagged her a few times, and they said that the candles was really good. So yay, she sent me 2. So she sent me an extra one. Thank you, girl. Love these. I'm gonna post this on my Instagram, but right here is her Instagram handle, and you guys can go on her Instagram, follow her on Instagram, and then click in her bio. She'll have the link to her website and order you some candles, because I'm telling you, she's bomb. I paid my own good money for this. So good. Okay, y'all, so this is dinner. This is really my first meal of the day, because y'all know I just had those little spring rolls earlier, so I just decided to make some salmon, broccoli, and then this is some wild rice that I got from Trader Joe's. So the rice actually looks black in the pack. It's not mixed with brown rice or anything, and then once you cook it, it pops open and it's this color. So yeah, this is dinner. So if you're trying to find a healthier rice option, this is how the bag looks. You do have to season it. Of course, it's just plain rice. I cook mine in low sodium chicken broth. And of course, you have to, like I said, season it, but it's really good. I like it. Hey y'all, so today is Friday and I'm getting ready to do a mukbang. So I'm doing lobster and some crab legs. I'm not doing any butter or anything like that. I'll just have my mayo and mustard dip. I'm so excited because I've been craving crabs all week. I really want some Dungeness crabs, but we've been having a hard time finding them here at the roads that we go to, so I might have to go across town to see if I can find some, but maybe I'll do that this weekend. So I just finished doing my makeup, and y'all see the groceries back there. So I'm getting ready to cook the seafood and do the mukbang. I'm not going to show you guys exactly how I make the seafood, but I will link a video in the description box for you guys to follow if you need a little help on cooking your seafood. So let me get started with that. So here's the crab legs. So I just got 3 clusters here, and then I'm gonna do 2 whole lobsters. These are the cooked lobsters because we couldn't find any fresh lobster. So I've had these before. They're good. You just have to let them sit in the water for a little bit to soak up some of your seasoning, but I mean, they're still good. So I'm gonna do these. We got these from Walmart, and then the crab legs are from Rose. So I'll show you guys how everything looks when I'm done.
Don't